Today I'll show you how to create an email campaign in Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what information to fill out so you can get your campaign set up quickly and correctly. First, open your web browser and go to crm.zoho.com. If you aren't already logged in, sign into your Zoho CRM account with your usual credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the main Zoho CRM interface with the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. That left-hand menu is where you'll access all the different modules. Next, look for the sales section on that left sidebar. Depending on your layout, it may be labeled clearly as sales or grouped with other items, but it should be easy to spot. Click on the Sales tab to expand and reveal the related options. This is where you can manage leads, contacts, deals, and of course your campaigns. Within the sales area, find and click on Campaigns. This takes you into the Campaigns module, which is where all your marketing campaigns live. Here you'll usually see a list of any existing campaigns, along with their status, type, and other basic details. If this is your first time using it, the list might be empty, and that's perfectly fine. Now, to start a new email campaign, look for a button that says Create Campaign near the top of the page, usually on the right-hand side. Click that button. This opens a new campaign creation screen where you'll enter the key details for your email campaign. You'll start by entering your campaign information. This section typically includes the campaign name, type, status, start and end dates, and possibly an expected revenue or budget field, depending on how your Zoho CRM is configured. Choose a clear, descriptive name so you and your team can easily recognize the campaign later. For example, you might include the target audience and month in the name. Select the appropriate campaign type, such as email, if that option is available, and set the status to something like planning or in progress when you're just getting started. If you know your planned start and end dates, go ahead and enter those now. Filling in this information accurately makes it much easier to track your results down the line. After that, move on to the description information section. This is where you can add more context about your campaign. Use this area to write a brief summary of the purpose of the email campaign, the audience you're targeting, and any key notes that might help you or your colleagues understand the strategy behind it. The more clearly you describe it here, the easier it will be to review and improve future campaigns. Take a moment to double check everything you've entered so far. Make sure the campaign name is correct, the type and status are set the way you want, and the description accurately reflects your plan. Once you're happy with all the information, go ahead and click Save. Zoho CRM will create your new campaign record, and you'll be taken back to the campaign's detail page or the campaign list depending on your setup. That's it. You've just created an email campaign in Zoho CRM, setting the foundation for tracking your email marketing efforts directly inside your CRM.